What's good, people? Ki hal chal hai? Okay, guys. So I just thought of a quick prank right now, and I usually don't do pranks. So here, actually, so my sister is actually in the restroom right now, and we're about to go to this Indian wedding, Indian slash Pakistani wedding. Um, this is the worst thing you can ever do to any girl, especially if you're a Desi girl. Once she gets out of the restroom, she's usually, she's all decked up, all that shalwar, kameez, kurta, jo bhi hona, whatever it is. I'm about to go downstairs, fill the blow dryer up with a bunch of powder, and let's see how this goes. Hopefully, she does not get super mad and I don't get chitter out of, God knows. Hurry up! Okay, she's still taking a shower upstairs. Usually she takes about 4 or 5 hours because that's every Desi girl. Just kidding. Say hi to my cat. Okay, I really don't have that much time. Let's actually. Here's what I'm gonna do. Here's a blow dryer, and I'm gonna fill this up. Well, believe it or not, we have this thing called what we make roti with. It's atta, and guess where exactly it is? It's actually in a trash can. Um, yeah. So let me fill this bad boy up. Let me hold on. Let's see. Okay, this is the hardest part. I need to hurry the hell up. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some atta out. This looks so wrong. Fudge, I missed the entire thing. Fudge, put this thing in there. Fudge, that is a lot. That is a lot. Okay. God, there's so many things here. Oh, yeah. Let me connect this thing right here. Yo, hurry up! We have to leave in like 5 minutes. What's good, people? Ki hal chal hai? We are about to hit this Indian brown Desi wedding up. I'm wearing this $50,000 jewelry set. I don't know what this is. It's more heavy than me. It's bringing me down, as you guys can tell. There goes my sister, Mariam. Ki hal chal hai? What are you up to?
Nothing, just getting ready.
Oh damn! Look at your dress.
I know,
Well, damn.
but don't look at me right now. I still have a towel. Stop.
Well, damn. Well, damn. So we're about to go to this wedding. I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. Buffet, food. That's what I really cannot wait for. Okay. So I'm still waiting. Okay, guys, we're
Mike, stop
we're
recording. Get ready.
we're 5 hours late because of her, and I just cannot wait. Freaking. Ready? Let's go.
Mike, come on. We have to leave in 5 minutes.
Alright, hurry up. Are you ready? What the hell? Hurry up.
Did you do this?
What the hell?
Are you serious?
Is that your makeup?
What the hell is wrong with you, Mike?
What's good, people? Honestly, that looks a lot more better than your makeup.
I have to shower again now. It's not funny.
Guys, I guess we are 4 hours late again. You know, that's how we do it. Daisy wedding. Oh, I cannot wait till we record the freaking... Guys, stay tuned. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe. Alright. Okay, I guess she's really, really mad. She just called my dad. Called my mom, actually. And complained the crap out of it. Mariam, we gotta go. Hurry the hell up.
Get the hell away from me.
We gotta
right
go.
now.
We have to go right now. They're waiting for us. We gotta go. Come on. Come on, let's just... Well, I guess we're not going to the wedding anymore. You know, I was really looking forward for the food, this outfit, girls checking me out, you know, but I guess that's not happening. I really hope that you guys like this video. Subscribe it.